guys, you're welcome back to another episode of Oyoyondoke's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I am super excited to bring to you some of my favorite things in the kitchen, which is ginger and garlic paste. So stay with me as I show you step by step on how to achieve this wonderful and flavorful ginger and garlic paste for easy peasy mom on the go and those that do not like wasting time in the kitchen. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Help us share our videos, leave us some nice comments, and don't forget to give us some thumbs up. Thank you guys for being so amazing. I'll be using garlic, ginger, and lemon with some olive oil and a hint of turmeric. I'll be leaving the list in the description box, so don't forget to click on that. For our garlic paste, I'll be using this much of garlic, so let's get it to the blender. If you like to cook like me and you're a mom on the go, if you don't like wasting time in the kitchen, I bet this will be a good option for you. Just blend everything into paste and it makes it easy for you rather than coming to squash or grate a ginger or garlic whenever you want to cook. So we'll be using this much of garlic. So we'll be using half lemon, which we also add as a preservative. You squeeze it in. And then I'll be using some olive oil. I don't know if you can see it. All right. So we'll get it in. So I'll be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric also acts as a preservative and also it will help to enhance the color. So let's go ahead and give it a thorough blend. All right. So guys, at this point we are done blending and it's very smooth. We've gotten the smooth paste we are looking for, and the next thing will be to get them into the ice cube container, which we are going to store in the fridge for it to freeze. And once it's done, you pop them in the freezer bag or you pop them in a Ziploc bag for future purposes. So guys, we are now going to transfer the paste into our ice cube container. It's actually very smooth. This is very handy for, easy peasy if you're a mom like me and you don't want to waste so much time in the kitchen. This will be very handy for you. Once you get them into cube form and they solidify, you just put them in a Ziploc bag. So whenever you need the garlic paste, you just go ahead and pick it out and into your pot. It's very useful. You can use it for your drinks, you can use it for your rice, your jollof rice, your stew, to season your fish, your chicken, your meat, whatever the recipe is. Garlic is very good and also very medicinal. So guys, you can see our garlic paste is ready. We are going to cover it right now and get it in the freezer. So guys, we are now ready to get our ginger paste going, and I have here the main ingredients, which is ginger. I've already washed this, but I'm gonna wash it again to make sure that we don't have sand in it. Remember, ginger is a root plant, so you make sure you clean well. And I'll be using some vinegar, some vinegar to soak it for a few minutes. So we're gonna get it into the bowl here. And allow it to soak for a few minutes and then give it a thorough scrub before we continue. Alright, so a few minutes later we are back to it. I'm going to give it a thorough scrub to make sure there is no sand. Do remember, ginger is a root plant, and for that reason we have to make sure you wash very well. And I'm using my vegetable scrub to make sure I take off all the sand. Alright, so let's get to it and make sure you also cut in between, especially like this one that has, Yeah, you make sure you cut clean. We are not going to peel the skin because the skin is also very nutritional. So you just have to clean well and then wash well and get it blended. Yeah, you make sure you take off all the parts that aren't good. All right, so with the brush, you brush very well to take off all the particles, and we are going to do that for all the ginger. So we're gonna wash one more time and then we'll cut them into tiny cubes and get to the blender. All right, so you can see it's looking clean and the water is very clear. All right, so guys, you can see we are ready to cut into pieces. Make sure you cut against the strands so that you have a smooth paste when you're done blending. All right, so we're going to squeeze in half lemon. You can either use lemon or lime, so you squeeze it in. So we're going to add a little water just to make sure it blends smoothly. Then we cover the blender. All right, now we are going to blend our So our ginger is ready. We are going to get the ginger into the ice cube container and then get it to freeze and then before we put it in the Ziploc bag. All right, so our ginger paste is ready. We are now going to scoop it into the ice cube container and get them in. So guys, our ginger paste is now in the ice cube container, and if you really like to cook and you don't like wasting time in the kitchen, this is a very good hack for you. It will come handy when you need it. You can use this for your chicken, for your beef, for your stew, for your drink, your zobo drink, your pineapple drink, anything you really want to use ginger, this will come very handy. So guys, my ginger is ready, you can see. So we are going to pop them into the plate. Yeah, that's what we got. And I make different sizes, so depending on what you want to cook, you can see the size of this one, and I make the big ones. So the big ones I'm going to pop as well. Yeah. So it depends on the quantity of what you're cooking, and if you want to make tea, for example, you can use these small ones to make tea. You can just use this size for your tea or this size. So guys, we do thank you for watching our video. I'm going to get the garlic as well, and then we are going to put them in the Ziploc bag for storage. So guys, you can see our garlic. So we are going to get them as well in a Ziploc bag. We toss them in. This is for easy peasy cooking, and also I made a large size as well in case if you need large quantity. Yeah, that's why I made this one as well. So I'm going to pop them open. Yeah, these ones are large quantity. So depending on what you're cooking, if you're making large pot of stew or large pot of meat, that you need large size of garlic. Yeah, so this is what we got from our garlic paste. Yeah, I love this size so much, you can see. So we are going to bag them as well and put them in a Ziploc bag. Don't forget to label them because their color looks similar, so you don't get confused when you pick them out from the freezer. So we do thank you for watching our video today. We do appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give your girl some thumbs up and also share my videos, please. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Bye bye.